Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Churros Maker is probably one of the most convenient and fun kitchen gadgets for making delicious, golden brown churros right in your own home. Say goodbye to messy deep frying and hello to perfectly crisp, evenly cooked churros every single time. This video will cover everything you need to know before buying one, from ease of use and cleaning to the quality of the churros produced, helping you make the best decision for your kitchen. Number 5. StarBlue Churrera Churro Maker. It comes with 8 different discs, so you can make churros in a variety of fun shapes. Impress your family and friends with unique designs. Made from high-quality, sturdy ABS plastic, it's built to last. You'll enjoy making churros with this durable and reliable tool. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply fill it, press the piston, and you'll have perfectly sized churros in seconds. With its sleek white and blue design and consistent churro size, it's a joy to use. The handy design makes it stand out from the rest. Cleaning is a breeze. The detachable parts make cleanup quick and easy. Hand washing is recommended for best results. Get creative in the kitchen with the included recipe ebook. It's the perfect companion to your new churro maker. What we like? It boasts 8 interchangeable discs, letting you create a variety of churro designs. Its ease of use makes churro making accessible to everyone. If you love variety and want a durable, long-lasting churro maker, this is the one for you. What people say? Very easy to use and very easy to clean. Best part is that it is top rack dishwasher safe. You can make these in 10 minutes. The churros are delicious and the product is high quality. Fresh churros for years. It comes with several press options, which is a great add. Number 4. Empanada and Churro Maker. This amazing machine lets you make delicious empanadas and churros quickly and easily. It's far simpler than using a press, and cleanup is a breeze. Create 2 large, perfectly sized empanadas in minutes. Use your own favorite fillings for endless possibilities. Make 6 delicious churros in just minutes. It's so easy to use, even beginners will get perfect results. With 4 non-stick plates, it's a snap to switch between making empanadas and churros. The plates are easy to attach, detach, and clean. The included dough cutter ensures perfectly measured dough for consistent results. No more guesswork. It's so much easier to clean than a traditional press, and its compact design makes storage simple. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. It's great for Cinco de Mayo, holidays, or any time you want a delicious treat. Impress your friends and family with homemade churros and empanadas. What we like? This electric churro maker is incredibly convenient and cooks churros quickly. It also makes empanadas, and its non-stick plates are a breeze to clean. If you're looking for speed, versatility, and easy cleanup, this is your best bet. What people say? It heated quickly as we made the dough using the included cookbook. It was so easy to use that my 12-year-old made a dozen churros herself. After 8 minutes of being plugged in, the little green light will come on denoting your food is done, part of the recipe's requirements, but of course you can do as you please. I used this for an hour straight the first time to make empanadas, then a few days later to make churros. This little machine is easy to use and even easier to clean. I honestly think I've made more empanadas and churros since receiving it than I made in 40 years. Number 3. KneadEat Churro Maker Kit. Get ready to make delicious churros at home with our easy-to-use kit. It includes everything you need to create perfectly shaped churros every time. Watch the dough smoothly flow from the maker. It's fun and easy, creating a memorable experience you'll want to repeat. This innovative press makes creating perfectly shaped churros simple. Just load the dough and press, it's that easy. Fill your churros with your favorite fillings. From chocolate and dulce de leche to fruit purees and whipped cream, the possibilities are endless. With detachable parts and cleaning brushes, cleanup is a breeze. Enjoy the delicious churros without the messy cleanup. The barrel measures 9L x 2.5D inches, perfectly sized for home use and easy storage. What we like? It comes with a piping bag for filling your churros with delicious fillings. The process is simple and fun for all ages. If you enjoy creative fillings and a hands-on churro making experience, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to use and clean. The 304 stainless steel nozzle is solid. It's durable and gives you nice, well-formed shapes for your churros. It's made of lightweight plastic and the parts are easy to take apart and clean, which is always a plus. Number 2. Churrera Churros Maker. Get ready to make delicious churros at home. This kit has everything you need to create a variety of tasty treats. Simply fill it with dough and twist to release perfectly formed churros. It's that simple. With 8 different discs, you can make a wide variety of churros to suit your taste. Get creative. Cleaning up is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe for your convenience. We've included a recipe ebook with 10+ delicious recipes to get you started. Enjoy experimenting. Made from sturdy ABS material, it's built to last. Your churro making companion for years to come. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This model offers 8 different discs for shaping your churros. It's easy to clean and comes with a recipe book. If you want a variety of shapes and appreciate a helpful guide, this is a great choice. What people say? Good quality, easy to use. This product makes pretty good churros. It comes with a link to recipes and is easy to use. It has one die cutter and makes traditional style churros. The included piping tool allows you to fill your churros with a filling if you would like. This product is super easy to clean and most of the dough will rinse right out with water. As long as your batter is the right consistency, this churro machine works great for creating churros. This was our first time using an actual churro machine to make churros and it helped make well-formed churros. Number 1. Churros Maker Pro Churrera. Make perfect churros anytime. It's easy to use and creates beautifully shaped churros right in your kitchen. Simply prepare your dough, load it into the maker, and press. It's that easy to get perfectly shaped churros. The included filler lets you add delicious fillings like chocolate or caramel. Take your churros to the next level. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. The heavy-duty design ensures years of reliable use. With detachable parts and cleaning brushes, cleanup is a breeze. Enjoy delicious churros without the hassle. Whether it's a party or a family gathering, this churro maker is perfect for creating delicious treats for everyone to enjoy. What we like? It includes a durable piping bag for filling churros with various delicious fillings. The sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. If you're a serious churro enthusiast or a professional baker, this is the top-tier option. What people say? It saves so much time and makes the process so much easier. It turned out to be great and I use it a lot. This worked better than expected. I used it today and the churros were perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.